Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we've got major logistics company here, part of the JP Group overall. That's Kingston Wharves Limited, trading in their shares on the sell side. We typically see the buy side here. Connected Party selling a total of just over 10,000 shares. November 30th, December 1st, 2021 is when these transactions happened. Now, PanJam Investment Limited, special interim dividend payment here. It's a consideration. It's coming up, an advisor from the company that the board of directors of PanJam, they got a meeting scheduled to be held on December 16th, 2021, a special interim dividend consideration. It's for the year 2021. We'll see what happens here. It could be a good Christmas for PanJam shareholders. Now, TransJamaican Highway Limited, throwing out a little bit of a clinker here, or a surprise to the market. A resignation of a director, nothing is wrong with that. That's the ordinary course of business. You got appointments, you got resignations. In this case here though, well-known director, Mr. John Mitchie Bell, they call him Mitchie in the marketplace, has resigned as a director from the board of directors, effective December 3rd, 2021. Now, the company goes on to say they value the contribution of Mr. Bell on the board and its audit committee during his tenure and wish him every success in his future endeavors. Now, Jetcon Corporation continues to rebound, especially on the revenue side. Third quarter revenue jumping 28%. That's what we like to see. We're going to talk about the bottom line as well. The third quarter ending September 30th, 2021 for the used car dealer, enjoying a relatively strong position in the marketplace. Revenues here, 196 million versus 153 million Jamaican year over year. That's the rebound we're talking about, 2021 versus 2020. Now, the net profit also rebounding, but it's from a very low variable or low number, so we're not going to look into that too much. But 5.7 million versus 2 million year over year, coming from a low base, so we're not going to talk about a percentage increase there. Now, the inventories, Jetcon always has had high inventories. The close of the quarter, approximately $445 million of inventory. It's a big number on the balance sheet there, but that's the business they're in. Year-to-date revenues, let's talk about year-to-date 9 months versus the third quarter. 607 million year-to-date net profit, 11.5 million for the 9 months. Now, the big one for tonight, overseas markets, US markets, Apple continues to soar. The US $3 trillion market capitalization, they're at about 2.81 trillion right now, and they continue to outperform market expectations. US analysts saying this one is heading to 3 trillion or higher in market cap. Let's talk about their earnings. Their earnings for the 3 months ending September 30th, up 70% year over year. Huge number, not just double digits, but 70%. So even with missed expectations on the productions of iPhones, iPhone 13, chip shortages, other supply chain issues, Apple continues to outperform. So be careful how you bet against that one, just like with Amazon, Google, some of the other big tech stocks. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.